Experiment 8, Node.js server application with MongoDB database. So here I have developed a web application that performs the basic operations such as inserting, fetching, and deleting records using client-side and server-side technology. For the theme, multi-language news aggregation portal. So here for front end, I have used the HTML code here. I have created login page, registration page, and dashboard page here. So these are the three columns. Then here is the heading, add news, and title, content, and language. So as it is a multi-language web application, there will be many languages like English, Spanish, Japanese, Chinese, everything, Hindi, and all. Here the list of the languages will be displayed here. And here the URL of the publication will be here. The source of the publication will be here. And the details of the publishment will be displayed here. So this is the code for it. Next is the login page. So here in login page, user can log in and use the portal here. Then I have used register.html to, if the user is new, they can create an account. Here the details are given to fill the full name, email, username, password, and confirm password columns will be present there. Or if they have already have an account, they can log in directly to the portal. Next, I have used style.css to for the font, color, background, and margin for every styling. I have used style.cs here. Then I have used news.js and profile.js to store the details in MongoDB. Here I have given the structure of the user.js here. Then I have used news.js for the structure of the news we are going to add in the application here. The main backend file is server.js. Then I've used express.js, MongoDB for the data storage. Here I've given the URI of MongoDB to connect to it so that the data entered by the user will be stored in the MongoDB here. Next I have env file, environmental variable files to save the uh, connection string of the MongoDB and port number and JWT secret here. So, so this is the output for multi-language news aggregation portal. So here the details of the news will be given here. So we can, if you want to add any news or add any article here, we can add it through here. We can give any title here, um, like festival, something like this, and the contents related to festival we can give here, like any description about the uh, title. Then we can select this language, English, Spanish, French, Hindi, Chinese, and all. Next we can add the URL and the source, from where did we get this news, like that, and the publishment at that details will be given here. And if we give the ad here, the data will be stored, will be added to the news section. So we can filter the data by language. If you want the news in English, then it will be filtered according to it. Spanish, it will be filtered according to it. Same here. Here, these are already present data here. We can change, like we can add data, we can fetch data according to the language, and we can also delete the data here. So we can also delete the data here if you want to delete it. Here, first news is in the English language. Second, it is in the Spanish language. Third, it is in German language. Similarly, we can add few more language. So here is the MongoDB. So here the data will be stored. Once the user enters, adds the news data here or delete, if they make any changes there, the data will be stored here. So this is the information of the user. So here the information of the user, like full name, mail, username, password will be stored in this user.newsdb. Here is the news section. So once we add the all the details of the news, English, Spanish, German, and every details of the news we added will be stored in this column, news column. Thank you.